Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser on Android phone. And in today's video, I will show you how to see your download folder on your Chrome browser in Android. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Have you opened up your Chrome browser? Let's say, for instance, you download apps on web, or you download a video or any website, but you cannot find it on your phone. This is the best way to find your download folder in your Android phone through Chrome browser. For that, go ahead and click on these three dots from the corner right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Downloads. Then here you go. You have access to all your download folder, such as video sections, images, and then if you swipe this way, you see other files, just like so. Or better still, you can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see some of your previous download on your Android phone through Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your Chrome browser on your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.